This is Intricate Coatings. We are going to do another special floor. This one's a lot more unique than normal. As far as I know, Intricate Coatings is the only one that does this type of floor. Now, you've seen white marble effect on metallic epoxies, but you've never seen it on flakes. You can achieve the same patterns as marble with flakes. Just finished this marble epoxy floor. Again, this is exclusive to Intricate Coatings. This brings flake floors with the metallic. It kind of merges them together to get this similar look. Make sure you see all the marble effect on top of the actual flake.